Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan ra ek resolution hapo Iing Dorbar wan Pyrshah ek Jingtih Uranium hak Jylla ya kanila pinbana do Menteri Rangba Konrad ke sangma hak Sngi pale. Menteri Rangba ulaong ba ka Sorkar bayalam na ke NPP ka Pyrshah pura ke Jingtih Uranium badkan am ailat ya kanu ka project ka bakum kani ha Meghalaya. Ulaong baya kani ka ra la ya kren bad kinoyalam ke NPP kibla ai jingmut ba ha Iing Dorbar kadi wan menjur da ka waiga sur ya ka resolution. Menteri Rangba ulaong ru ba ka Jylla ka shim ya ka ni ka rai ban yadai ki brio ka maryang bat ki klaw na ki jingma ki bala ban mi na ka Jingtih Uranium. Shushu Konrad ulaong bakat kum ke jingkren Menteri ke Sorkar peding Dr. Jitendra Singh ulaong baka Sorkar India kampat shim setia kanu ka rai halor kani ka kam.
Dear friends, recently our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jitendra Singh had clarified that government of India has not made any decision on that matter, and the government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining, and that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Yesterday, I had a very detailed meeting with a large number of party leaders from the NPP. And in that discussion, apart from many other subjects and issues, the subject of uranium mining had come up. All the leaders of the NPP have suggested to me that the state government and the assembly must unanimously come out with a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state of Meghalaya. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state, and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.